just got this mod. I have no idea what it does. It's called the NW22 anti-material rifle. It has 3 different mag sizes. This is normal. Let's see. How the f did I miss that? Anyways. There we go. Nice. Hit him that time. Oh, since that mag's out, time to put in the next mag. Dude, that is fucking bulky. Hell, here, wait. Wait, I want to try this on a freaking crablet. Wait. Dude, I wonder if I can even, like, get enough accurate. Alright, fucking activate it. Alright, when he jumps at me, I want him to. I'm gonna pull the trigger. Oh, shit! Boom! Holy shit, that shit sends you flying. Holy crap. Thanks for watching.